Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make barley tea and discussing its remarkable health benefits. Barley tea, also known as magicha in Japan, widely available in drugstores, offers a multitude of advantages. Rich in antioxidants, it safeguards the body from free radical damage, aids digestion, promotes hydration, and can even assist in regulating blood sugar levels. Scientific studies suggest that barley tea may possess anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to overall heart health. Let's dive into the recipe. 1. Boil 1 liter of water. 2. Remove from heat and add 1 sachet of barley tea. 3. Cover and let it steep for 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes, discard the tea bag. 5. Enjoy your hot or cold barley tea. Additionally, barley tea is low in calories, caffeine-free, and contains soluble fiber, which supports digestive health and regularity. Research also hints at its antimicrobial properties, potentially aiding in combating infections. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care.